Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to clear up a common problem that many people face: incorrect measurements while using a measuring tape. It might seem simple, but many of us struggle with this tool in our daily lives. Whether you're measuring furniture, a room, or even something as simple as the length of a shelf, using a measuring tape the right way is crucial for getting accurate results. Let's move and talk about measurements with accuracy to my students. Okay, you can see the upper side of the tape shows inches, usually divided into smaller fractions like half, quarter, eighth, and even 1/16 of an inch. These markings help in precise measurements, especially for woodworking, construction, and DIY projects. Now, see the lower side of the tape shows centimeters, which is part of the metric system. 1 centimeter is divided into 10 millimeters. The metric system is widely used in science, engineering, and everyday measurements, as it provides simple and accurate values. Now let's move to something practical to engage you for further understanding. Right in front of me, I have a laptop, and I'm going to measure its length using this measuring tape. But before I reveal the exact number, I want you to take a guess. How long do you think this laptop is? Is it 12 inches, 14 inches, or maybe even 16 inches? Let's take a closer look to help you make a better guess. Pay attention to the size, and don't forget to answer in both inches and centimeters to check if you're right. Drop your guess in the comments below, and at the end of the video, I'll reveal the correct measurement. Let's see how many of you get it right. Okay, take a look at this image. I'm using my index finger to point at 1 full inch on the measuring tape. But here's where things get interesting. If we divide this 1 inch section into 2 equal parts, what do we get? Half an inch half, and another half an inch half. Together, they make a full inch. Now let's make this even simpler. Think about a dollar. If you split a dollar into 2 equal parts, you get 50 cents and 50 cents, right? It's the same concept with inches. 2 halves make a whole. Here's a great quote to remember while taking measurements: measure twice, cut once. This is a golden rule in construction, DIY projects, and life itself. Precision matters, and small details make a big difference. Let's explore this further to get more clarity. All right, let's break an inch down even further. Earlier, we split 1 inch into 2 halves, half and half, but what happens if we go smaller? Now let's divide half inch into 2 equal parts. That gives us quarter inch. And guess what? We can divide quarter inch again, making it eighth inch. Think of it like a pizza. If you cut it in half, you get 2 big slices. Cut those in half again, and you have 4 slices, quarter each. Cut them once more, and now you've got 8 slices, f each. The smaller the fraction, the more precise the measurement. Here's a fun fact. Carpenters, designers, and even chefs use these tiny measurements every day. The key to accuracy? The difference between something good and something great is attention to detail. Measuring accurately makes life so much easier, whether you're an engineer, technician, student, or just doing DIY projects. Let's go over some key unit conversions you should memorize for quick and easy measurements. 1 foot equals 12 inches. Think of a regular ruler that's about a foot long. 1 inch equals 2.55 centimeters, roughly the width of your thumb. 1 meter equals 3.28 feet, just over 3 feet, about the height of a small table. Now, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, a simple metric conversion used worldwide. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, the smallest common unit on most measuring tapes. Memorizing these conversions will save you time and effort no matter what you're working on. A good measurement today can prevent a big mistake tomorrow. So, next time you pick up a measuring tape, these numbers will help you work smarter, faster, and more accurately. Reading measurements is easy once you understand the symbols. Inches are represented by a double quotation mark, and feet are shown with a single quotation mark. Let's go over some examples. 1 foot equals 12 inches, so we write it as 1 prime equals 12 inch. If something is 6 feet 4 inches, we write it as 6.4. 2 inches is simply 2 inch, and 5 feet is 5. Knowing these symbols makes it easier to read blueprints, engineering drawings, and even product dimensions. For example, if you see 4'6", that means 4 feet 6 inches, about the height of a small child. 8 means exactly 8 feet, no extra inches, common for ceiling heights in homes. By memorizing these symbols, you'll read measurements faster and avoid mistakes. Whether you're in construction, design, or just measuring furniture at home, these simple rules will help you work smarter. Okay, you have a construction drawing in front of you, and there's a red circle highlighting a dimension that reads 6'9". What does this mean? Can you guess it and write the comment now to check yourself as an exercise? It means the measured length is 6 feet and 9 inches. 6 represents 6 feet and 9" represents 9 inches. To visualize, 6 feet is about the height of a tall person, and adding 9 inches makes it just short of 7 feet. Let's break down this metric system measurement chart in the simplest way possible. This measuring tape starts from 0 centimeters and goes up to 10 centimeters. But look closely, each centimeter is further divided into 10 equal parts. These small divisions represent millimeters. That means 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, 10 centimeters equals 100 millimeters. For better understanding, I have marked different points with arrows on the measuring tape. Check out the arrows. The first one points to 0.009 meters, which is equal to 0.9 centimeters. Similarly, the next arrow indicates 2.3 centimeters, which is equal to 23 millimeters, and also 0.023 meters. The purpose of showing you the measurement in different units is to help you understand how effectively you can deal with any unit. The other 2 arrows also point to different measurements with multiple unit conversions. I personally made this piece of paper to give you practical knowledge to read my measuring tape. So why does this matter? Whether you're a technician, engineer, student, or DIYer, knowing these conversions saves time and prevents errors in real-world applications. Here's a fun challenge. Look at the numbers on this scale. Can you read the measurements without hesitation? If yes, you're on the right track. If not, don't worry. Practice makes perfect. The answer to your question is 13.98 inches or 35.5 centimeters. I hope you are much clearer now. I'm leaving a question for you at the end. Answer it in the comments to see how close you are to the reading. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you a clear and easy understanding of measurements. Whether you're working on a project or just improving your skills, knowing these basics makes a huge difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful content. Have any questions? Drop them below. See you in the next video.